Hello everyone, this is Maya Blue. Welcome back to my channel. I've been out and about. I was in Serbia for 3 weeks and I really just wanted to enjoy it. And after my defense, I needed some time alone, not to work at all. I just wanted to read books and do nothing. So I'm sorry for that, but now I'm back and I want to start off with another reaction because these are one of my most popular videos. I don't know. Some people love them, some people hate them. But I want to react to a video where people react to Serbian videos. I will link those. I think there are 2 videos, so I will link those in the description box below. But as you can see, I have my mic because there's some construction happening right over there. If you follow my Instagram, you know what I talk about. So I'm going to have to use my mic and also my headset. So in order to hear, I'm gonna have to be so professional right now. So let's start with the video and hopefully you're not gonna hear anything in the background, just my voice. Okay, let's start.
Do you know what the Serbian language sounds like?
No.
I guess close to Russian, Croatian, Slavic languages.
Sounds
Slavic.
like some kind of Russian.
I have no idea. Like Russian, the kind of Eastern European.
I'm not mad at them by saying Russian because, that's the first Slavic language that pops into my head, well, aside from Serbian. So, yeah, it's just the most widespread, I'm guessing.
Russian, maybe?
So now I'm going to play you a clip of Serbian and have you guys mimic from there. Okay?
Let's see.
Have you expected it?
Sort of sounded like I expected, like a Slavic language.
No, it's less harsh than I thought it would be.
That's what many people will tell you that Serbian sounds harsh, and to me it does as well, but not necessarily. It depends on how you pronounce certain things. But yes, we do have many consonants, so that's just what it is.
Yeah, it sounds like our math prof sounds Russian sometimes.
Mimic. Yeah, it's good.
It involves a lot of P's and R's. It's like
Porco.
I can't get ahead of porco.
What was porco?
This is really hard.
Okay, we have ich. You use a lot of ich for last names and for diminutives. Is that how you say it? So we have ch quite a lot. Ch, ch, j, sh, j. Enjoy it.
I'm telling you, P's and
Dobro
R's.
jutro. No. She said P's and R's. That is true. We have like many words like pričati, pripovedati, prazno, prekrivač. A lot of like PR combination.
We say we miss you.
So kind of like a story living drunk leaving.
What?
Dneska hur det?
No. Good. Okay, there's a lot of R's as well because we use them as vowels, so I get that. Americi? Ooh. Trying to distinguish between Serbian and Russian. I want to see that.
Ask you to guess which one you think is Serbian. Okay?
Okay, I I don't know Russian, but to me it sounds like has a lot of like yat sounds. So люблю тебя, you know. Okay, I'm just saying я люблю тебя. But yeah, I just find it when women speak it just sounds very I don't know, just cute. And when a guy speaks, is then there's this sound. Maybe it's my prejudice. I don't know.
That's Serbian.
That's Serbian.
Okay, I'm gonna say that this one's Serbian and the first one's Russian. They're too close. They're so close. And see, when I heard the first one for the first time, I was like, this is Serbian. And then I heard the second one, I was like, no, this is Serbian.
Well, you were right the second time.
The first one is Serbian, the second one is Russian.
I kind of thought the first one was Russian.
Yeah.
They were actually more different than I expected. So
There you go.
I'm gonna be sad if I'm wrong.
I'm not with the second one. I think it's the first one. Yeah, I could very well be wrong.
What do you think the difference is? I know it sounded like there were more, I guess, hard consonants in the second one as opposed to the first one. It's kind of the impression I got.
I don't know. I feel like the second one was softer. And,
Okay, the opinions are divided.
Russian, like their accents are way like harsher. So, and Serbian is way softer. So, it's a sweeter language.
Oh, nice.
I enjoyed the second one more, honestly. I know it sounded
Second
really
is Serbian, right? Yeah.
I mean, it kind of depends on the situation. I mean, I think the harder sounds of the first one are really interesting. But the second one was sort of more soothing, I guess.
I don't
So my language is more soothing.
know. They're both so they're
They're
similar.
cool. I like it.
When I heard the first one, I was like, that's Serbian. Then I heard the second one, I was like, no, this is Serbian. Trust me, you can keep on playing this list. I'm like, this is Serbian.
I would choose Serbian because like much softer and sweeter,
Wow.
and because he's a sweet person. Yeah, I'm a sweet
So we're sweet and soft. Let's see the other clip, which is what is it? What Serbian sounds like to foreigners? Is this the same? Let's see.
So, what language do you think this is?
Spanish?
Spanish, Italian, something like that.
Spanish, Italian.
No, it's not a romance language.
Not a romance.
Started outside. So it's European, though.
Eastern European.
Or Polish? Maybe?
You're very close. Yeah. No, not that. It's a Slavic language.
Close.
Serbian?
Yeah, good. Slovakian. I mean, it's Slavic.
It's in that area?
Do you want the answer now? Yeah. It's Serbian.
I mean,
Is that what you have to expect a Serbian to sound like?
I understand because if you ask me about a certain language in Asia or Africa or somewhere where the language is not as popular, especially now when we have the division like Croatian, Bosnian, Serbian, Montenegrin, and so on, then people are just as confused. So I probably also wouldn't know.
No, not at all.
Or have you guys heard Serbian before? If any
I
of you?
worked with a girl that's Serbian, but I've never heard her
Cool.
like speak it, so I don't know.
Yeah, I've never really heard anyone speak Serbian, but I wouldn't have expected it. I would have thought it sounded more harsh than that. That's a very like light.
So now for the highlight.
Oh, I like it. I like it that she's like, it was supposed to, I was expecting it to be harsh, but it's very light. It's really reassuring to hear that.
The show.
Highlight of the show is
Can you imitate what you just heard in gibberish?
Cool, imitations.
Većih prostor.
Podijem sjenske turo. Veći prostor. Če hošte.
Ja se niska. Estrana lusten.
It's like makes it too fun.
You have like roll your R.
Yeah.
I would
Yep.
do so bad on this. If it was Polish, it'd be fun because Polish has this like, like this like very like
Zhup,
forward
zhup.
mouth kind of speaking.
Oh,
These accents are
that's interesting. Do we have that? I don't think we pout our mouths or like no. It's no. I find Turkish to be like that. There's a lot of like choo 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 choo.
very, yeah, like Slavic.
There's
Almost like,
hard C's
yeah.
and like K's and stuff.
Hard C's.
Is what it sounds like to me.
It's very harsh, it's very sharp.
So,
Yeah, I don't know.
A lot of B's.
so.
I mean, it sounds to me like, you know,
But
in the
I can get that.
direction of how I would probably, if I were to do an impression, it would probably sound like Russian, and it would just sound terrible. And they'd probably feel mad that I actually
Of course.
speak Russian.
We would. I've actually watched these two videos, I think, like years ago, because they were posted like 5 years ago. But I forgot what the impressions were, and that's why I wanted to film it this one. So, wait, let me just take this off. So it's really funny and cute to see how everyone else is reacting. Like, no hard feelings. If you don't like it, you don't like it. If you think it's a very soft or harsh language, that's your opinion. I just like to see what kind of, what kind of an impression you have, and would you like to learn it? And do you know now more about Serbian? I do know from some of you that some difficulties are the difference between ch, z, and so on, j. So I know that these are difficult points. And again, consonant clusters, we have many consonants clustered together. So of course, it's going to sound a bit harsher than maybe some other languages, but I'm sure that there's some languages that sound even worse than Serbian. So I'm going to stop here. I hope you enjoyed this video. The next video is going to be possibly something about like Serbian culture or Serbian language. I'll see, but it's not going to be a reaction and it's not going to be a vlog because I've done those. At least I've done vlogs in the last month. So I'm going to try to kind of switch it up and change the content a bit. And hopefully you're going to give me some feedback, like good feedback about my content, if you like it or not, and what I can improve. And see you in the next video. Positive.